right, today is the 12th of December, Math 8, and we're doing part of our final exam review. Your final is next week, Tuesday and Wednesday. Both parts will be IABs. They'll be IABs. All right, so let's start our review. Today we're going to do exponents. Here's how it's going to work. I'm going to do an example problem, talk about it, then you'll do a practice problem. You don't have to write anything down yet. So right here, remind me, base, 4 plus 7 is 11. Base, add. Oh, what? Plus 6 is 13. 7 plus 6 is 13. So I'm finding that missing number. You do it on slide number 3. Yes. And the correct answer is good.
7 minus 1 plus 1 plus
So
7.
what did you put? Let's see. Does 3 plus 3 equal 9?
Oh, it's 3 plus 3.
Right. Base, add. Good. Correct answer is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. Something else you learned this year. The idea of big over small. Big over small. If I weigh 200 pounds and you weigh 100 pounds, I'm twice as big as you. 200 over 100. Big over small. So I take the big number, I'll put it over the small number. If there are some extra zeros, I can cancel them out. So this is 200 divided by 2, which is 100 pounds bigger. All right. Can you do it?
Yeah.
Question number 5.
Easy class.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Not even sure what that means. Good. Oh, good. Nope. Dude, show me the big or the small. No. Good. Done. Good. So what does that simplify to? So it's 30 divided by 3 at this point. 30.
Oh.
Good. No. You have 30 divided by 3. 30. Good. 10 times bigger. Big. Over small. If you want to cancel some zeros, you can. 30 over 3 is 10. This is another big over small. Guys, I shouldn't see writing. You should be focused up here, even if you think you know what you're doing. I take the big number and I expand it out. 4 times 10 times 10. Take the small number and expand it out. Canceling 10s.
Oh, yeah.
Canceling the 4s. What am I left with? I'm left with 1,000. Give it a shot. Give it to me as not with an exponent.
Okay.
I'm not even looking yet. Yes. Yes. Griffin, you're going to be there. You're getting there. Yes. No. 2 things are going on here. Are you in the right problem?
Oh, I accidentally did.
Good. Also, you want to do big over small. You were doing small over big. Good. What's 700 divided by 7? Good. expand it out. Red marker of death and destruction. Brooke, how you doing today? Good to have you here. It's not the most exciting day, is it? I hear you, man. I'm not a big fan of review, but if I don't do it, then you guys fail. Okay. Cancel, 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 cancel. Cancel, cancel. What am I left with?
100.
100. 10 times how much is 100? All right. Now, the stuff that you've forgotten.
I didn't forget this.
Nope.
No?
Forget it either.
So,
Got it.
on the test, this is going to be a find the error type of problem. So imagine, hey, I'm going to simplify this. It's 6 to the 9th.
Power over 3. I mean 6
Okay,
over.
good. If I was going to show all the steps to do this, I would turn this into 6 to the 9th minus 3 over what?
1.
1.
Oh, shoot.
But imagine that, oh, I'm confused, and I put it over 6. Is that wrong?
Yeah.
Yes, it should be over 1. What's the next piece? Oh,
Then
is this 6 to the 12th?
No, it's minus.
Oh, it's 6 to the 6th. Over 6?
No.
Over 1. Do you see how I could turn this into a find the error type of problem? See how I just keep making, oh, and this becomes,
6
oh,
over 6.
which is 6 to the 6th. It's a find the error, but you need to be able to work it through on your own so that you know enough to be able to find an error. Good. I like you back there, Dakota. You're looking like you're engaged in the class right now. Here we go. I want you to show me 1, 2, 3, 4 steps on how you would simplify this down. 4 steps on how you would simplify it down. Good. Sorry. Good. 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 Nice. You make sure you need this stuff. You can bring the circle. Okay. Here's my question. Is this the same as that?
No.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Did you just
Is this the same as this?
Yes.
Yes. Is 1/2 the same thing as 4/8?
Yes.
Is 1/2 the same thing as 5/10?
Yes.
I need you to recognize these are all the same thing, just in different forms. And can you find the one that's wrong? If I put up, oh, I said, oh, you know what? This is the same thing also.
Bless you.
Is this part of that?
No.
No, it's not. Because 6 to the 6 is not the same as 6 to the negative 6. So can you imagine how I could throw a wrong answer in there and you go, that doesn't fit there, that's wrong. Whose was this? This. This next one is also going to be kind of a figure out what doesn't belong. Don't do it yet, let me do it. Base, base,
Add.
power, power,
Multiply.
base, base,
Add.
power, power,
Multiply.
base, base,
Add.
power, power,
Multiply.
power,
Multiply.
Multiply.
Okay.
Add.
Just watching. I can start this 2 different ways. I can start this with a base base add or a power power multiply. What do you want to start it with?
Power, power, multiply.
Ready? Power power multiply. Power power multiply. Multiply those 2 numbers right there for me, Brady.
Negative
4.
4.
5.
4.
4. -8.
Okay. That's one way to start it. Or I could start it as base, base, add.
Oh yeah, technically you could.
I'm pointing to somebody do this.
5 to the second power.
Put your hands in the air. Are we going to be good when I come back? Stop. You need to be on my stuff right now. So, what's this become? 5 to the second to the -2. Are these the same?
Yes.
Yes.
Are those the same?
Yes.
I need you to identify, oh yeah, this is all the same stuff. You're going to see that on final. Okay, well, let's take this to the next step. Let's do a base, base, add.
5 to the fourth power.
Nope.
Oh, wait.
-8.
Negative.
Minus
5 to the
-4.
-4.
That's negative. Yes,
5 to the
Same
-4.
side, negative.
Okay. Let's do this one. Power, power, multiply.
Negative 4.
5 to the -4 power.
It's the same thing. Oh.
Is this the same as this?
Yes.
Is this the same as this?
Yes.
Is this the same as this?
Yes.
Is that the same as that?
Yes.
Is this the same as this?
Yes.
Is this the same as this?
Yes.
Well,
What can this become?
that solution.
1 over 5 to the 4th.
1 over 5 to the 4th. What did you just use?
It's math.
Take it. What does this become?
Oh yeah.
1 over 5.
Is everything up here all the same?
Yes.
It's all the same. And I need you to recognize that, hey, and now what if I threw this guy in here? Okay, oh, this is, does this guy fit in with that?
No, but yes, he does.
But yes, because 5,
No, but
4.
He is part of the fraction.
No, is this the same as this?
No.
No.
Is this the same as this?
Yes.
Is this the same as this?
No.
Do you see how I can throw in, I'm going to throw in something else wrong. You know what, I'm going to make a mistake right here. Is this the same as that?
No.
I forgot the negative?
You didn't do it right
I
because
d-
it's negative.
But can you see how I can throw in wrong things and you got to go, oh, that doesn't make sense. Or I can say, hey, which of these are the same? And it's like a multiple check. Oh, this, and this. These are all the same. So you've got to be able to simplify it down so you can see all the different ways of writing it. All right, on your whiteboard, this problem, I want you to do this.
Both ways.
Both ways.
Oh.
Because what you're trying to do is lay out all the ways of writing it.
That's fine.
You can look at it on your computer in front of you. not going to check your boards because it's too much for my little brain. So I'm going to do it up on the board after you're all done. Why don't you guys talk to your neighbor about it and see if you did it in the same way? Help each other out.
Can I just basically copy that, exchange those, and put these on this one?
So you have that.
I got
Okay.
the same, so you do 6 times 10 negative
Yeah.
60. So then I do.
So you're on that path.
So I got 2 negative 30, so
So-
2 times
No, 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 no,
So
look
this
at,
side-
look at.
So you
It's not, it's not, it's not, it's 5 and 10 for 6. Oh, it's 4.
negative 2.
Oh, so then it would be
6 minus 10. It's 6 minus 10 is negative 2. And over here is negative 4.
No, it's just,
I drew it as negative 4. And then when you take it down, take it, you gotta take it. And then it's
yeah.
1 over 3 fourth power.
So then you gotta use the element. So then it's actually 1 over 3.
Put it on the power bar.
So that, so this should equal that. Simplify.
Wait, why would you say?
Because,
All right.
I don't know.
Here we go.
Subtract 6 from negative 2 and 10 from 6.
And then look at there. Because, over the basic.
I'm going to put something over here, and you tell me, does it fit with what you did? Let me see, I'm looking at this guy. Yeah. Does that fit in with what you just did?
No.
No.
Oh, I made a mistake somewhere.
Yeah.
Yes. Oh, it's a negative right there, so you have to subtract.
Oh, okay. Oh,
Same
you know what?
side,
Okay,
add,
sec.
keep different sides.
Got it, okay.
subtract.
Does that fit in with what you just did?
No, because
No.
the exponent has to be a negative 2.
Yeah.
Do you
that
see how I'm
doubles
making
point
mistakes?
exponent.
And I'm saying, can you catch that it's wrong based off of what you just said? Okay. See, these are all wrong so far. I'm intentionally making mistakes to see, can you identify where I'm wrong? Okay. Does that fit in with what you just did?
No.
No.
Okay, so I'm going to do it. Here's what it should look like. Does that fit in?
Yes.
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 Yep.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes.
And that's a little bonus one I just added in for fun.
Yeah.
But does that fit?
Yes.
Okay. So on the final, it's going to be really, hey, which of these are the same? Which of these are all of these the same?
Yes.
Should these guys be over there with them?
No.
No. It's identifying, hey, which ones are part of it and which ones are not part of it. Imagine if you had to sort it into stacks and give all of these and say, oh, these are all the same and these are all garbage. All right. Yes.
Oh, never mind. I got it.
Okay. Okay, and this is one that messed with your brain earlier in the year. But your brain's had 4 months to grow. So maybe you got it. Imagine with an exponent of x and x. So I'm going to pick a number for x. I'm going to put in a 1 for x. Or I'm going to choose a 2 for x. Or I'm going to choose a 3 for x. Which one of these is actually going to make it equal 1/4? If I put in a 1, I get 4/8. Is that 1/4?
No,
Did
that's
one
1
work?
half.
One didn't work. Put in a 2, I get 16/64, which is 1/4. Did that work?
Yes.
So what works?
2.
And what doesn't work?
1.
And 3.
And 3 and 4. Okay. Next one, you tell me what works. On your whiteboard, you give me the number that works. Just tell me one number on that whiteboard. What number works? What number works? What number works? You're saying that if x is that number, if I put your number right there, that I'm going to get a 1/3. That's what you're telling me.
Yes.
Using this as an exponent, not as a multiplier.
Oh.
This is an exponent. This is 3 times 3 times 3, if that's what you're telling me.
Oh wait, no, this is the complicated
They're exponents. Exponents.
Easy.
Okay. So I have hold up your phones. If you are saying 1, you're saying this. If you're saying 2, you're saying this. And if you're saying 3, you're saying this. So let's see if 1 works. What's 3 to the first?
3.
9 to the first?
9.
What does that simplify to?
1/3.
Did it work?
Yes.
Is this one going to work?
No.
Is this going to work?
No.
Yes.
Okay, let's do it. What's 3 times 3 times 3?
27.
What's 9 times 9 times 9? 729, I think. Will somebody check that?
Yeah.
What does this simplify to? I think it simplifies to 127.
127.
Did this work?
Nope.
Does this work?
Nope.
Well, this is 9/81, which is 1/9. Didn't work. Works. Doesn't work, doesn't work. All right.
That was a doctor.
Big over small. I take the big number, I put it over the small number, I simplify it down. You do the next one. Number 15, big over small. Big over small. Yes. Yes. Good. Big over small. Yes. Yes. Yes, Brooke. Yes. Yes. Marina. Yes. 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 No. Show me big over small. Show me you doing big over small so I can see what's going on there. Yes. 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 Yes.
Wait, I got one.
There you go. That's better. Correct answer is do 300 divided by 50. Do it on your calculator. Do 300 divided by 50 on your calculator. Good. Correct answer is 20. Same idea. 6 to the 7th. 6 to the 3rd. Cancel, cancel, cancel. I'm left with. Notice, do you see any 10s up here?
No.
For some reason, people like to put 10s into this problem. There are no 10s anywhere. It's all 6s. List them out, cross them out, see what it simplifies to. Good. Do the next one. You're good. No, there are no 10s anywhere in this. These are all 5s. This is 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. Lots of 5s. Will you take it one more step and tell me what that really equals? You're good. One more step. Could you also write it as an exponent? Good. I need you to be able to recognize that those are both the same thing. So you've got all these tens coming out. So in those tens, this is big 5. Let me get a better one. Griffin. 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. Cool. No 10s anywhere. 5 times 5 times 5. What am I left with? 5 to the 6th power. And what is 5 to the 6th power? You lost it. Did you have 5 to the 6th at some point?
Yes.
You did, that's 5 to the 5th right there. So you lost a 5 when you're multiplying. How'd you go back?
What?
Where did that number come from?
I messed up on
Do you know where? Okay. So this is 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, which is 5 to the 6th power, which is 15,625.
It's 156.
I don't know how.
2, 6.
Did you ever have 5 to the 6th in your answer? So this is one of the reasons that if you'll show me the work, I'll be able to find where the errors are. Okay. Once again, big over small. Big over small, cancel the zeros. Lot, you did the wrong one.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, big over small for number 19. Show me big over small and show me you canceling zeros. Good, good, good. Good, good. Good. Good, good, good. Show me big over small. Good, good, good. Were you showing me the answer from the wrong problem? Were you showing me an answer from a different problem? On the last problem.
Oh.
Because I can imagine somebody showing me a 7 on this problem. Excuse me. Good. This one. Are there going to be a bunch of 10s on this one?
Yeah.
Yes. Look, this is going to be 8 with a bunch of 10s. 2 with a bunch of 10s. Big over small. Cancel, cancel, cancel. Simplify, simplify. Number 21.
Oh, I just wrote down the office.
Good start. Start with homework. Start with homework. You got it. Look to right here. 16 divided.
Did you do 16? I know you have to cancel the dates.
That's a lot of zeros.
Somewhere in your math, there should be an extra 0 on that. You got it right there? Yep, keep going. One more step and you're done. Perfect. Oh, that's beautiful. Excellent. Okay, good. Okay, good. 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 Start on the homework, start on the homework. If you got it good, you can start on the homework. If you want help, good.
ABC.
Is the homework on?